Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Auto Credit Canada, and in front of me is a 2010 Ford Focus. And this is going to be a cold start on this car. It was about minus 15 last night, and it's about minus 8 now. So we'll start by unlocking it, and it's unlocked, so it obviously has life in the battery. Sorry about the camera work, guys, but I don't have a tripod and I don't have a cameraman. There we go. So the car only has 106,000 kilometers on it. And it starts right up too. Nice. Yes, I know the driver's door is ajar. Here we go. Pop the hood. And we'll take a look around the vehicle quickly and show you under the hood. This is an SE trim level. Cloth interior. Nothing too fancy, but it gives you all the options you would need, including power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power trunk release, and remote key fob, and everything like that. Some nice tires on it. They're actually pretty much brand new. And we'll come up to the front and show you under the hood now. And this looks like a 2-liter. It is a 2-liter inline 4. I think it puts out about 140 horsepower. Not bad for a Focus, it's pretty good. And it returns a really good fuel mileage too with this small engine. This is the Duratec inline 4, and these engines, a beauty to them. I just believe they have a timing chain instead of a timing belt, so it's really maintenance free. Not the most optioned out car, but definitely appropriate for someone who just wants something to get back and forth to work. And that is the cold start of this 2010 Ford Focus SE. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and share this video, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.